Today's practical session is about the types of connective tissue proper. In this section, we will talk about the connective tissue proper that we would discuss earlier within the lectures. This includes loose connective tissue as areolar tissue, adipose tissue, reticular tissue, mucous connective tissue, and mesenchymal tissue. Starting with the areolar connective tissue, as you see, it is made by loose tissue with abundant grass substance and different types of fibers, as we mentioned earlier, including collagen, elastic fibers, and highly cellular proportion. Other type is adipose tissue, is also considered a type of loose connective tissue made mainly by cells called the adipocytes. Other type including the reticular tissue, which is also a loose connective tissue that found in the example in the lymphoid organ, made by reticular fibers and reticulocytes. Here we have a mucous connective tissue, which is a specific type of loose connective tissue. It is found within the umbilical cord. Here is the section in the umbilical cord. This is a part of umbilical vessel. In higher magnification in this area, we can see this structure. This is a part of mucous connective tissue made by fine fibers and the fibroblast and wide abundant ground substance that rich with hyaluronic acid, and this ground substance called the Wharton's jelly. So this is the site of Wharton's jelly in the umbilical cord. It's important function of this Wharton's jelly to maintain adequate space for the vascular structure of umbilical cord for changing their volume. Mesenchymal connective tissue, it is a transient stage for different types of tissue. It's derived from mesoderm and contain abundant population of mesenchymal cells. Dense connective tissue. This type, there is a change as the fibers increase in the proportion, so it became more than cells and reduce in the amount of the ground substance. Type of dense connective tissue called dense irregular connective tissue, in which the fibers are in different orientation. Here we have an example of skin. As you know, skin made of epidermis, dermis, and underlying hypodermis. Within the dermis, it is a type of dense irregular connective tissue. In higher magnification, we can see different orientation of collagen fibers that is stained by acidophilic color. So these collagen fibers appear in different orientation within the skin dermis. In higher magnification, you can see, in lower magnification, you can see this is the epidermis and this is the dermis. Under the pointer in the black arrow, this is the dermis, which is a type of dense irregular connective tissue. Other type, which is dense regular connective tissue, we have a specific orientation of the fiber. Here we have an example, yellow elastic fiber, which have a unidirectional orientation of the fiber, so it's called dense regular connective tissue. Other example, we have a tendon of the muscle, which attaches the skeletal muscle to the body skeleton, also as example of dense regular connective tissue. So the yellow ligament, which is rich in elastic fiber, is also considered a dense regular connective tissue. And thank you.